2.1. That is sum number 10. Now what is given in this sum? Walls of two buildings on either side of the street are given. They are parallel to each other. It means what? If AB and CD are the two buildings, then the wall AB and CD is parallel to each other. Ladder 5.8 meter, AE and ED is the same ladder, the length of which is 5.8 meter, is placed on the street such that its top reaches the first building to the window at the height of 4 meter. On turning the ladder towards the other side of the street, it touches the window of the top of the building at a height of 4.2 meter. We have to find the width of the street. Okay, so let's see how to solve. See here, in this diagram, AB is parallel to CD and AE is equal to ED because that is the length of the ladder. As these are the buildings, so we can say that in triangle ABE, angle B is 90 degree. Same is the case with DCE. If we apply Pythagoras theorem here, we can get the value of BE and EC, so that we will add them together so as to get the width of the street. Okay, so let's start. Let sec AB and sec CD are the two buildings. Therefore, sec AB parallel sec CD. Okay, this is given. AE equals to DE equals to 5.8 meter. That is length of ladder. Right? Therefore, in triangle ABE, measure angle ABE is equal to 90 degree because AB is perpendicular to the street. So it is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Now what is AE? It is 5.8 the whole square. So that is equal to 4 square plus BE square. Okay. Now 5.8 means 58 square we can calculate first. So it will be 3364 and the decimal will be here 33.64 equals to 4 4s are 16 plus BE the whole square. So BE square equals to 33.64 minus 16. So it will be what? BE square equals to 17.64. Square root of 17.64 is BE equals to taking square root on both the sides, 17.64. That will be equal to what? BE equals to 4.2 meter. We get the value of BE as 4.2 meter. Okay. Here our first part is done. Same way we are going to calculate for DCE by applying Pythagoras theorem. So write down. Also in triangle DCE, measure angle DCE equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, ED square is equal to DC square plus EC square. Right? So, what is ED? ED is 5.8 the whole square. That is equal to DC is 4.2 the whole square plus EC square. Now 5.8 means what? 33.64. is equal to 4.2 is 17.64 plus EC square. So EC square equals to 33.64 minus 17.64 equals to 16. EC equals to under root 16, that is equal to what? 4 meter. EC equals to 4 meter. Here we get the value of EC as 4 meter. Now we'll see the width of street. Now see, BC is the width of street. So what it is, BC equals to BE plus EC. Reason, because B dash E dash C. Okay. So BE is 4.2 as we have calculated and EC is 4 meter. So 4.2 plus 4 is 8.2 meter. Therefore, width of the street is 8.2 meter. Okay, because 2.2 exercise has been omitted from the syllabus. So here, this is the only exercise that is going to be there in the exam, and related sums to the topic will be discussed in interactive session. Thank you.